Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you with two methods to set video wallpaper on Windows 11 and 10 machines. For this, I will use this one desktop live wallpaper plus application and another one is VLC media player. Both are freeware application and you can use either according to your needs. So let me begin with first one, VLC media player. All you need to download and install it on your PC. Then open the application. Then click on this one media menu and then click on this one open file option. Then select the video you want to set as your desktop wallpaper and then click on this one open button. Then click on this one video option and here check this option set as wallpaper. It will immediately set wallpaper as your desktop. However, desktop icons will be not visible on your PC. In case you want to access any application, just press Windows key on the keyboard and you can launch there any application according to your needs. In case you want to stop this one wallpaper, right click and select here a stop option. Then Windows will apply the default wallpaper you have set before. Next one application is this one desktop live wallpaper plus. Just open this one application, then click on this one add photos videos button. Then here you will find three options. This will, if you will choose this option pick from PC, you can upload videos from your PC that you want to set as a wallpaper. Next one option is download video from the internet, and this one last option will download the attractive wallpapers from the internet that you can set as a wallpaper on your Windows machines. So just click on the desired option pick from PC and then click on this one, select this one video from your PC you want to apply as a wallpaper. Then click on this one open button. Once video is loaded in the application, click on this one apply changes button. This will set video as your desktop background, and the attractive part is that you every icons that are available on your desktop will be visible. You can just use this application without any worry. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel GearUpWindows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video press thumbs up. Bye bye.